In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your keyboard and mouse not working on your PS5 or Xbox when playing Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now on the right hand side of your screen, the game's going to tell you that you could add a controller or keyboard and mouse for split screen right in this section right here. What you're going to want to do is just essentially plug in that keyboard and mouse directly into your console using a wired connection. Bluetooth usually isn't going to work for Call of Duty on console, so make sure it is wired. And once you do plug in the keyboard, your PS5 is going to ask you who's using this keyboard. Select whatever account you want to use. On Xbox, it's the exact same thing. Now you'll see your keyboard and mouse is connected up at the top of your screen over in the top right. And when you do move your mouse, you're going to see that that cursor is working. But what you're going to want to do now is actually go up to your settings and go specifically into your quick settings, which is going to be where you can adjust everything. First thing you're going to want to change is going to be your aiming input device. So go into controller and then change your aiming input device to mouse. And then after that, you can actually open up your keyboard and mouse settings and change all of your mouse sensitivity, your keybinds, your movement, your combat inputs and outputs. And after that, all you got to do is just load into a game and your mouse and your keyboard is going to work perfectly. But that's really all you have to do. Now you might have to play around with your mouse sensitivity. It is a little bit wonky on consoles, so just keep that in mind. Play around with that a little bit, get it the way that you like it, and you'll be good to go. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.